How do you insert text in PhotoScape X? It's very simple. I'll just come here under the editor here. Just drag a picture, maybe this zebra here. Then I'll just come to somewhere called insert here in your editor. Just come to insert here, then click it. Then you'll see this text here. Then you'll just click it. It will just insert a text there. You can use this aspects here, the corner, this one here, to expand. Maybe I can come here on my right and write zebra. Yeah, now you realize it comes with a variety of colors, although you can choose a variety. If you just click there, it will give you other colors. Maybe I want something like to do with black. Maybe resize it there, put it somewhere there. You can even put it bold. You can even change the italics, underline it. I don't want to do this. Just you can even change the angle, how it be, opacity. You want it to be maybe seen from far. I'll just leave it. You can put an outline like that. You can put a drop shadow, and maybe even reduce the distance, color, opacity. You can reduce the opacity so that it doesn't look that. You can even put outer glow, for it to outer glow, and change the color of the outer glow. Maybe something like yellow can do good like that. So you can even put an emboss so that it looks like it's protruding, and thickness of the emboss you can change there. You can even put a background, but I don't recommend this. Let it just be like that. Can put a gradient there. You can set to put a gradient. Now PhotoScape X is a very good automatic gradient. So depending on what you are doing, your brand, this is the gradient there. Maybe let me choose something like this. I like that. Then I just say okay. Then here we are. You can even change the angle of the gradient, how the gradient want it, maybe want it from center, and maybe other aspects. So after I've satisfied of all the changes, what will I do? But before that, you can even change the font. Here's the font. Maybe you want this font, maybe this font here. So you can easily change the font. Maybe I look for something. I think I take this one here. Then I just say okay. Yeah. So I'll just say I'm just satisfied. Then I can also put this one here. Maybe you can then just close it. Then here we have decided our text. We've manipulated our text. That's how to go about text in PhotoScape X. Remember, PhotoScape X is free. See you in the next video.